Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our shout out assembly. It's Friday the 22nd of January and we're here for shout outs in years 3, 4, 5 and 6. We've seen some amazing work that's going on and amazing children, and you'll see these screens are packed with shout outs, and towards the end as well, ready for next week, what I'm going to be asking everyone to do. Can we have lots of shout outs of children being really helpful at home, helping with the clearing up, the washing up, the hoovering, whatever that might be, cooking, tidying your beds, whatever that might be. Let's have lots and lots of shout outs next week for those children being really helpful, please, as well. But kick off with I'm going to show you some displays to start with here. The displays around school, we've got displays around school, which is all your work that you are doing at home. So when you return to school, you'll see lots of your work all about on all of the displays. So all the teachers have been busy putting up those displays, putting up the work as well. So when you come back, eventually we get back to school, you'll be able to see all the work that you've done over lockdown. It'll be a nice little memory for you all. So please do keep posting, whether that's Class Dojo, whether that's on Shobi, because we can get that work up there, can really be proud of the work that we are doing, because it is amazing. Start off. Here we go, first lot of shout outs. You see Miss Musselwhite, look at them, look at that great wall of shout outs. Bianca, Zane, Colby, Leo, Oscar, Janisa, Diego, Nadia, Harley, Jessica, Gracie and Kendrick, working so hard at home with Timetable Rockstar, Spelling Shed, on Shobi as well, all the live lessons as well that they are doing, the reading as well that they're continuing to do as well daily. Guys, please do keep it up. It is fantastic to see all the work that is going on. Please do keep it up. I know it's impressing Miss Musselwhite, so keep engaging and keep working as hard as you possibly can, you Year 5s. Thank you. Moving on, we've got Miss Percy's Year 6s. Look again, look at this. But look at the work as well. It is phenomenal. It's amazing the stuff that you are doing on Shobi, guys. It's so good. We've got Edric, Cody, Alex, Nikita, Caden, Zara, Kyle, Scarlett, Callum and Aston. Guys, honestly, I am so impressed. It's as if you are at school. The work that you are producing is phenomenal. Really well done. Good responding as well to that marking, but please do keep posting it because you can just see that work there. It is brilliant. Well done, you Year 6s. Keep it up. I am proud of you. Thank you. Moving on. Look, Miss White's. Look again. Look at the wall. Look how many shout outs. Charlemagne, Mandy, Khaleesi, Millie, Lola, Chiquisha, Christopus, Eva, Pandora, Mia, Fiona, Savannah, Mahir and Milana. Look at this work, look. Charlemagne, look at that maths. It's amazing, hon. Brilliant. The work, again, that is going on, just as I mentioned those Year 6, is exactly the same with those Year 3s and the work that you are doing at home. It is phenomenal, guys. Well done. It's so impressive, some of the work that's going on, right the way through from maths, science, English, history, geography, whatever that is. It is superb. Keep it up, guys. Thank you. I know Miss White's very impressed. Well done. Moving on. Look again. Look at Miss Arthurton superstars. Look how many we've got. We've got Kieran, Lily, Damien, Brooklyn, Alicia, Amber, Erica, Junior, Martin, Ruben, Milana, Freya, Connor, Evie, Amelia, Oliver, Lily May, Amelia, Joe and Ashton. Guys, you are all working amazingly at home. Please do keep it up. It's fantastic to see the work that you are producing on Shobi. Fantastic to hear about all the reading. You're going on Timetables Rockstar, going on Spelling Shed. Please keep it up, Year 5s, because it's fantastic. It is so impressive. Just keep it up. Thank you. Moving on. Look again. Look at Miss Barrett's Year 4s. Look at this wall of superstars. Oliver, Bella, Reese, Jake, Mia, Eliza, Dylan, Reggie, Jessica, Cameron, Jessica, Alicia, Riley and Kobe. Guys, it is amazing. Look at you all. Big smiles, Reggie. I know, golden ticket winner from last week. Well done, buddy. But amazing work that is going on for you guys. Please do keep it up. Keep posting as much as you possibly can. Keep up the reading. Timetables Rockstar, Spelling Shed, all of those things. So really well done, Year 4s. Thank you. Moving on, we have, look at Mr. Ackerman's stars. Look at this. Berin, that. Amazing. Thea, Marshall, Tilly, Reese, Abe, Daniel, Bailey, North, Diego, Aaliyah, and Jack. Guys, amazing work. Carrying on everything that you've been doing in class, carrying that on at home as well. It's fantastic to see. Please do keep it up. Keep up those smiles as well. When you're posting those pictures as well, it's lovely to see those smiley faces because it just makes me smile as well. So please do keep it up, Mr. Ackerman's class. I know Mr. Ackerman is very impressed with the engagement that you're doing. So well done. Moving on. Look out, Mr. Pinners. Look at this. He's almost got his whole class up there. It's phenomenal. Look, Layla, Abby, Dylan, Ivor, Sophie, Alex, Jaden, Michael, Ruben, Subhan, Lena, Sienna, Olivia, Botan, Gemma, Tyler, Claudia, Blake, Dexter. Guys, amazing, amazing, amazing. That is the most. Mr. Pinner's got up the most children there because you guys are amazing. Mr. Pinner is very impressed with everything that's going on, Shobi, the lessons that you're going, how you're working with that, how you're responding to the marketing as well. Fantastic. Please do keep it up. Fantastic. And we'll see some of your work come out as well next week as well. So let's look out for that. Moving on to our final set of superstars. Here, now look at this. Mr. Davidson stars. We've got Elia, Summer, Tedas, Angel, Amelia, Scarlett, Kenzie, Julia, Leon, Harlow, Ellie, Lola, and Jamie. Thumbs up, Jamie. Guys, amazing work going on there on Shobi. I know Mr. Davidson's very impressed with all the lessons that you are taking part in as well. Please do keep it up, year sixes, because it's really important we keep that learning going. We keep going through this lockdown. We keep supporting each other and making sure you guys are making amazing progress. So really, really well done to all of you. Please do keep it up. Finally, final message, obviously, thank you everyone. And really well done. Fantastic to get a shout out. As I mentioned right at the beginning, it'll be really lovely next week to see lots and lots of you being really helpful with the shout outs as well. So however you can help out at home, please. It is a really difficult time. This lockdown is going to continue for the foreseeable at the moment. So actually, let's be really helpful at home. Help tidy up, hoovering, cleaning, whatever that is, bit of cooking, who knows. Let's see lots and lots of posts on there as well as the work that you're doing, because it'd be lovely to give shout outs to those really, really helpful children. I know you all are. Till next week, everyone. Bye-bye.